Welcome to Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner, a show where we like to highlight you, the content creators, because sometimes the algorithm just doesn't show you the love that you deserve on your content.
That's right. And so we try to pick out 2 breakfasts,
2 lunches,
and 2 dinners. And we have a little fun discussing it, learning from it, showing all the things that you can do, all the things that you shouldn't do.
You should have did.
You should have did it.
Give me the key.
I'll
do what you should have did 20 minutes ago.
Oh. I have never made that quote before. That was so good.
Let me know the comments.
And then
I think my timing was off.
Yeah. Throws it out the window.
It was so good.
That was
you didn't
fantastic.
see it coming.
No.
It was good.
Yeah, you
That was Debo.
Thought, yeah.
It was Debo.
Dude. Debo, gone too soon.
So whether it's the actual production of the content, the recipe, or just the person, sometimes there's just people that I like to follow.
Yep. Sometimes the food might not be good at all.
Oh, it's okay. Sometimes the food's not great. But
Okay,
the
that'll be a
person-
nicer way of
the
saying it.
person's fantastic.
Yeah, yeah.
Like your show.
Exactly like my show. Speaking of my show, I'm replacing you. What?
Were you talking?
Excuse me?
Were you talking about breakfast?
Yeah. I think
Let's jump in.
Let's do some breakfast.
Excuse me? Baking powder?
Sounds like you wanted to pay us to do Wayne's World.
All right. This first one
Okay.
is the good old boys. The Blackstone Bros.
Bros.
Yeah. So I liked this one because of a conversation you and I had not too long ago about spam. Which, by the way, I think it's per capita the most consumption of spam is in Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Because of
Hey, peanut butter cups.
Hey, peanut butter cup. Yeah, it's because post World War II, World War One, can't remember. It was we won them all, so it was one of those. There was so much that the GI diet had a lot of spam because it held forever. It was a commodity that didn't spoil, and it just kind of stayed and stuck around. It's kind of cool.
Yeah,
cool.
Very cool.
I want it. If it weren't for
cool.
the shape and the delivery system,
The receptacle in which it resides.
yes,
Oh,
I'd like it more. Same thing with cranberry sauce. Although there is something nostalgic about the.
It's like a can of dog food, though. It's the same thing. That.
Sorry, Blackstone Bros. Here we go. We haven't even wait for it. All right, 3, 2, 1, we're clicking.
Really do love you guys.
So we're starting off with our breakfast, going hard on the bacon, which I'm a fan
looking
of.
quality.
It's a bit of controversy. We talk about this on the show.
Oh,
I paused.
they had dropped an egg shell in there maybe or something. Okay, there's the spam.
I'm reloading my phone stop.
Oh,
Yeah,
there it is.
bacon, 0 to 10 on the crispiness scale. I'm a 10.5.
I'm a 6.
Weird.
No,
He's a 4.
that is pretty. That's
Hussy.
almost raw bacon.
Don't do
Dude,
it.
ghost pepper,
Yeah.
cheese.
Yeah, they go hard on this. They go hard.
Dang, boys.
I like this one because I wouldn't make this. But if they made it, they're great cooks, by the way. If you're not following their channel,
Yeah, I
go
mean,
follow
honestly,
their
like
channel.
the presentation's even beautiful.
They're
and there's
fantastic.
spam is involved.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it play again because very simple technique.
Yeah,
Ingredients I personally wouldn't use, but I would 100% eat this.
I did see that shell drop in there in that bowl. That was nice.
I'm glad they left it.
Yeah,
in there.
me too.
Being vulnerable in your content's fun.
Yeah, the presentation was amazing. I mean, just to be quite frank with you, I haven't
watching
had
it again.
I haven't had spam. I don't know when the last time I had spam to be able to make a judgment on what it actually tastes like.
We should just do it.
Should we though?
You like bologna?
Not really.
Get out of here.
I don't like bologna. I
When you
never
take the
ate a
Oscar
bologna
Mayer-
sandwich as a kid.
What?
Never. Ham only.
Toasted Wonder Bread, crisped bologna, mustard.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's a little too much like a really thin hot dog to me.
It's exactly what it is.
And I don't know that I'm okay with that.
Do you like hot dogs?
I love hot dogs.
Then you're okay with it.
Maybe I'm a bologna guy.
Let's do it. Let's do an episode where we get to pick what you make.
No.
Bologna. It's where I draw the line.
That's a bunch of bologna.
Yeah, bunch of bologna.
Malarkey.
Yeah, let me know down in the comments.
Be sure to go
spam
follow
or
the
no
Blackstone
spam.
Bros.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. All their stuff is fantastic. Really good presentation.
Oh, dude, you're kind of a back-to-back here with some
I am. I'll tell you why.
Tell me.
Because as a content creator, I think sometimes a bit of controversy is great. If you generate some hate in the comments, the algorithm doesn't know the difference between a good comment and a bad comment. It sees all the comments.
Just comments.
So every once in a while, throw the stuff in there. And Max Own Dad, I'm not saying he did this. Fantastic cook. but he picked the single most infuriating ingredient to me. So my father's from Pennsylvania, and scrapple's a thing. Do you know what scrapple is?
I'm sure it's
Separate
similar
that,
to
separate the
hot
syllables
dogs.
into 2 words, and that's what
Oh,
it
it's
is.
okay. Yeah, it's the scrap.
That you pull together. Betty's gonna leave a comment. Betty's a fan.
Okay, let's give
We're gonna
Blackstone a chance
All right.
to redeem this here.
And 3, 2, 1 more clicking. I think. Oh, I missed it. You're clicking. You're ahead of me.
I'm ahead.
So I like this one because, again, technique is simple. This might be kind of a regional cuisine sort of thing. If you like scrapple,
Is it
they're
in
better
Pennsylvania
choices.
area? Only Pennsylvania people use scrapple, right?
No, it's a northern thing. They don't really do scrapple
Okay.
in the south, but we do like hog snout,
We
pig
do
snout,
spam and
some of that.
things like that, I
Yeah,
guess, too.
really, really well executed. This is really good content, especially if you're into that sort of thing.
Oh, apples.
My point, yeah, that's the place. Just a little touch at the side. My point to this one was make what you like,
everything.
even if your viewer doesn't like it, but present it in a way to try this thing.
Okay, and it's presented in a way that I would try this.
Yeah, I would 100% eat this and not enjoy it because I've had scrapple. I
I
don't like scrapple. I just don't. Betty swears that if you get it extra crispy on the outside, which is key, texture is a weird thing. It's literally all the leftover. It's because I know what's in it.
You can't unsee.
It's an educated dislike. It's not, ew, that's yucky. It's not that.
Because who would say that?
Not me.
Not
unless
me.
it's regarding scrapple. Can't do it. But go follow Max Stone Dad if you're into that
Yeah,
sort of
because
thing.
he's awesome.
He's
His
great.
content is really great.
Yeah.
He's blown up. He's making tons of food. Cooks for his wife.
He goes hard on
and
the
family.
eggs.
He does go hard on the eggs.
I'm a fan of that.
Yep.
A lot of people aren't a fan of that. Actually, I
Um,
get more hate on that thing, and Betty gives me some hate too. She thinks I cook eggs too hot.
No.
She'll cook breakfast. She'll do eggs last, turn the griddle off
altogether.
and use kind of like the dying heat of the griddle.
And a very clean surface, so there's
Yeah.
not necessarily bits of bacon or stuff like that.
I want
in
the
it.
burnt, crispy
Yeah,
bits of bacon.
yeah. And it's not that that's cooked the wrong way. It's just not cooked the right way. I kid.
All right, purple onion.
Okay.
Want to move on to lunch?
Let's move on to
So-
lunch.
In addition to the other things that I've mentioned in the show, this is another ode to Frage. So if you're not following Grills Next Door, go follow them. I think they coined a new phrase that I'm a fan of, and I'm keeping it.
Okay.
The Frasier flip.
I like it.
And we're clicking. So I did smash burgers. Obviously, you guys know how to do smash burgers. This fun little trick that CJ claims to have invented.
I did.
You did claim it. These are big meatballs. You start with your meatball. You put that down on the hot surface so that it cooks on one side before smashing. Then you flip it over and you smash onto the cooked side so it doesn't stick.
And if you have parchment paper, use it.
Yeah.
It's great. It's all good. But not everybody's going to have that. Like, it's not something that you have lying around.
Or you have to go inside and it's the roll and you have to peel off the
Yeah.
right size pieces.
Or you could just drop it down, flip it over after a couple of seconds, a little bit of caramelization.
What really bugs me about parchment paper and wax paper, I'm going to let this play again because I want to watch it again. Fantastic, gorgeous burgers. Go follow them if you're not.
Those are massive meatballs, seriously.
When I pull tinfoil and it's not a perfectly square cut, it really bugs me. But parchment paper is the worst because it's never perfect. Or
Because you
wax
can't
paper.
make it perfect.
You can. When I'm not OCD about a lot of things. That one, it's a weird. You don't know this about me.
I don't know this about you.
I'll pull out the parchment and cut it with a
No!
knife because it bothers me
No!
so much that it's all
You little
it's all
psychopath.
Picasso. Can't do it.
Well,
Can't do it.
coming back to this burger,
I
I love
can't do
everything
this.
about this. Even
Yeah.
the post-dust.
Oh, yeah.
They used a couple of Frasier techniques there.
They did. They're Frasier
This
fanatics.
is delightful. You know, we're fans of Girls Next Door, our boys. Also part of the amazing community that is Griddle Crew.
Oh, if you haven't checked out Griddle Crew, go to griddlecrew.com. Have a gander.
Have a look-see, shall you?
Yeah, it's fantastic. It's a really, really vibrant community. A lot of sharing is caring going on.
Yep, a lot of fun.
I couldn't remember. We've been friends a long time, but I couldn't remember. I know you like pickles,
I do.
but this is dill pickle overload.
I've overloaded a grilled cheese with dill pickle before. If you remember, you don't probably. It
Who?
was on the show.
Who are you? What's your name?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know you anymore. I don't know you.
I'm excited to see this.
Dill pickle. So this is 2 burgers in a row, and I did that on purpose because the Frasier flip, and I knew how much you love dill pickle. So we're clicking on the dill pickle burger. This is a gorgeous sandwich. A sandwich like this, a burger like this, is not meant to be a clean eat.
Okay,
A clean
okay.
eater. It's meant to go hard.
All right, so he's making a special sauce.
Gorgeous.
A dill pickle sauce.
A dill
pickle cocktail.
drink with the juice. I'm not a fan of that. I love dill pickle. I'm not a fan of that.
Oh, I'm all
He
about
is-
like a pickleback, man.
Yeah,
just straight pickle juice and
Tradie
whiskey.
Barbecue. I think he is one of our friends from across the pond.
I am going to
actually.
follow this fella.
Yeah, gorgeous, perfect toast.
Okay. Yep.
Creamy sauce.
Pickles.
All the pickle. All the bacon.
Bacon.
Look at that thing,
More
dude.
of that sauce, dude.
That beautiful mess.
would smash that. I
Yeah.
would be
no
all...
pun intended. Smash burger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm all about this. Yeah, this is a UK
Yeah.
home slice. I'm going to start following.
Fantastic.
Dude, you need to connect with us.
So we talk about this on content, like as a creator, you need to keep your viewer in mind, and there's no fat here. Like he trims the fat, it's very tight, the edit is quick, it moves along, it shows the ingredients, it goes. It's a popular style of content, but it's popular for a reason. It's popular because it's not wasting the viewer's time with things that they already know.
It's very consumable.
Yeah, he's not saying, add an ice cube. A square one if you like, or a round one if you like. The people are going to add whatever ice cube they want.
Just add ice.
Yeah, it doesn't go overboard on boring the viewer
Steps.
with. Yeah, it doesn't bore you with too much information.
Yep.
It just gets to the facts. Nothing but the facts, man.
Nothing but
Yeah,
the facts,
yeah.
man.
So, recipe unbelievable, awesome,
Fantastic.
gorgeous.
I would absolutely
style of content,
love it.
clean,
Yep.
super good. So go follow the Tradie Barbecue.
I like it.
Yeah.
I'm officially following
I'm a fan of this guy.
from over
He's
the
good.
pond.
Moving on to dinner, my friend.
Dinner it is.
Russell J. Carter for dinner, and we're clicking.
Okay.
Next level tacos.
I'll be the judge of that.
Oh yeah. You will.
Okay, so far so good.
This is like an ode to CJ episode. All of these are all the things that are good. I have all the things that are good.
Ooh, Wagyu tallow?
Yeah, he's
Dang.
going hard on flavor.
Whoa.
I feel like look at the tortilla.
It's a cheese
Yeah.
stuffed corn
Yeah.
tortilla.
You have to watch it again because it goes
I'm
quick.
watching it again. Wow.
So
that was quick.
Every piece of this recipe is nothing here is complicated. Everything is simple. You can do this, but it's how he layers the flavors, how he layers the techniques, how the plating comes across at the end. I love everything.
Did you see
about
that
this.
one shot? So as a content creator, videographer, that one shot
Which
he
one?
gets of the cheese being grated in
Oh,
the
yeah.
box grater?
Yeah, he gets clever.
Yeah, I loved that.
That marinade looks
Dude, the
unbelievable.
marinade looks amazing. This is awesome.
Yeah.
I love tacos. I love and live for corn tortilla tacos. So for a corn tortilla taco that is filled with cheese,
Yeah. It's like a cheese tortilla. Yeah.
yeah, it's
All
like
this.
a corn quesadilla.
I'm gonna make these very soon.
No, you're not. I'm making them.
Well, I'm making them at my house without you. You're not invited.
I didn't want to go.
That
anyways.
chipotle, that like puree,
Yeah.
that looked awesome. Yeah.
I am definitely.
cool
I
note
was-
on content too. It's not super long, which means if people like it, we've watched it 3 times.
Yeah.
While we're sitting here.
Yeah. Russell, I've seen your stuff. I followed you
Yeah.
before. This was
Russell's
fantastic.
great. So great. Love everything about
Totally
it. Go give it a
crushed
follow. Last one is a in-house favorite.
Aw,
I can't count all the reasons why I love.
she's great.
Eh?
Hey, she's a really great lady.
Really righteous dude.
She's a righteous
Do that. All right, I like this one because it is how to master your leftovers, and this is almost an entirely CJ dedicated episode. I just want to know.
Man,
I'm a fan of you.
I'm feeling the love.
Well, let's show Marta some love, and we're clicking.
You feel
Go
the
follow
love?
Marta. She actually, her recipes are very like I'm gonna say versatile. They're like across the board. She does all kinds of different
Yep.
stuff,
Very fancy stuff, very simple stuff.
like hacks, quick
Yeah,
fixes,
middle of the
those
road.
things.
So like she's using canned enchilada sauce.
Is a leftover rotisserie chicken.
Yeah,
which
that's
we
amazing.
get from Publix all the time.
Oh, dude,
I like the flour
sign me
tortilla.
up, Marta.
Yeah, and she's double dipping here: pizza oven and grill.
Oh, you would.
Yeah.
And if she doesn't take a bite at the end of this, I'm gonna lose my mind. And I know she never does. Marta, is it because you're Canadian? Is that what is that what's going on here?
Because they're so polite, they don't want to eat on camera. I have a buddy who makes videos. He hates eating on camera,
I don't.
which
like-
I get it. Nobody wants to listen
Yeah.
to someone munching on camera. If you do that, please stop. Don't do that.
However, if you see someone like, let's just say like Karina, just getting down,
She's such
she's
a
like,
messy eater.
you don't hear it. You just see that she loves
Oh,
the
yeah.
food. She's just like,
I don't mind that. Like when manners go out the window, it's like, oh dang, it's that good.
yeah,
Wow.
good enough to lose your manners.
My dignity's gone. It's that delicious.
Zero dignity dinner.
Wow. I'm being too mean. Karina's amazing. Go follow Karina also. But if you're not following Marta's Bistro, Bistra?
It's a bistra.
It's a bistra. That's how they say it in Canada.
Is that?
Nope.
No.
All kinds of wrong. I love the leftovers. I love using using the griddle and the pizza oven.
That was
there's no
definitely
way
pro
that
move.
took more than 10 minutes.
Yeah, that was
No
great.
way. So good. We should do a leftover show.
That would be actually awesome.
We did one not too long ago when we had all the griddle pros here.
Oh yeah, we did.
Because everyone bought ingredients for different collab videos that we did.
Oh yeah,
together.
we just kind of threw it all together.
Yeah, like Betty and Todd were in a video, and CJ and Hussey were in a video.
Yeah.
We kind of mix and match. And yeah, Hussey did one where we crushed that day. We filmed so much content that
we
day.
ran out of like
We filmed all
official
the
recipes.
content. Yeah. So Hussey's like, hey, well, let's just see what's in the fridge. Literally went in just to all the leftover stuff.
And actually we all grabbed something.
Yeah.
That was kind of like a surprise on the fly and just like walked in and set it down.
Right. That's right.
Yeah, that was cool.
What did I add? I added something really interesting.
I do not remember.
It was the best part of the dish.
It was probably scrapple. Ugh.
I had a
bad
bad experience. Thank you all so much for watching. That's it for today's episode. Let us know down in the comments the content we should be seeing, because sometimes it just doesn't hit the flow. It doesn't get into the algorithm for people to discover it.
For some reason, it just doesn't happen for but that's what this show's for,
Yeah.
to try to make it happen for everybody. So, in the meantime, I'm CJ,
I'm Nate.
and we'll see you guys in the next episode.
See you on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook.
Or in Canada.
People still use what?
Yep.